Hey guys, Gizmodic here, and today we're going to talk about Samsung Service Center experience. So one of my friend has a Galaxy M20, and a couple of days back he broke the display badly on his phone. So he was actually talking on the phone, he was out somewhere and he dropped the phone on a couple of sharp rocks. So because of that he badly broke the display. I really don't blame the phone. Any phone would have probably broken in this situation. So he had to get the display replaced on his Galaxy M20. So I'm going to share his experience, how fast did Samsung replace the display, what was the cost, and at the end of this video I'll also share the invoice so that you guys can verify the details. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. But then if you have a Galaxy M20, please use a tempered glass in a case so that you don't end up spending a lot of money in replacing the display. In fact, I'm using the H2H tempered glass from my friends over at Glazed Ink, and this case is also from them. They have a couple of products for the Galaxy M20, including the H2H glass, the anti-shock screen protector, as well as this case that I have been using on my Galaxy M20. So you can check them out, and you can also use the promo code GIZMO for 10% off. I will be reviewing these products on my channel very soon. On that note, let's get started. So my friend broke the display on his Galaxy M20 on 24th of February, and on 25th morning he called his local Samsung service center and he was asking them about the display on the Galaxy M20. So those guys asked him to come over to the service center, deposit the phone and they'll fix it. So he spoke to me and I told him that because M20 is a new phone, it might take a week because they will have to order the display then install it, and I don't think a lot of people have broken their M20s yet. So yeah, I told him it might take a week. But regardless, he went to the service center on 25th February evening and deposited his Galaxy M20. So they gave him an estimate of 4,600 rupees. So they said it would be around 4,600 rupees and they will call him once the display is available and they have installed it on his phone. So he said okay, he deposited his phone and he was fine with 4,600 rupees. So 25th of February evening, he submitted his phone to the Samsung service center. And then on 27th of morning, so basically just within 48 hours, he got a call from the Samsung service center and they said the phone's ready, just collect it, and the total amount was 4,442 rupees. So that's it. It only took them less than 48 hours to fix the display on the Galaxy M20 and the total cost was 4,442 rupees. So in the evening on 27th of February, my friend went to the Samsung service center, collected the phone, checked it, everything was okay, paid the money and he was happy. He got the phone within 48 hours and that's amazing. I'm showing you guys the invoice now, and of course I've hidden some of the details, but you can clearly see the part number, the final amount, and you can see that this has been done from the official Samsung service center. So yeah, 4,442 rupees was the cost of replacing the display on the Galaxy M20, and it took Samsung less than 48 hours to do this. So yeah, if someone from Samsung team is watching this, a big thumbs up to you guys. Your service center experience was amazing. I remember replacing the display on my Xiaomi Mi A1, so this was like 1.52 years ago, and my experience was not at all good. I've actually covered it in a separate video about Xiaomi service center, so go check it out. The experience that my friend had with Samsung is a lot better than what I had with Xiaomi with respect to my Mi A1. So I don't know if Xiaomi's service center has improved in the last 1.5 years or 2 years. So any of you guys, if you guys have gotten your display replaced from the Xiaomi service center, or let's say Asus, Oppo, Realme, if you guys have any of these phones and you have visited the service center, then definitely let me know in the comments how your experience was. How much time did they take and what was the cost of replacing the display? I am personally really impressed with what Samsung has done, and I'm really happy that they're providing the same amount of service that they provide to their premium customers, to the customers that buy their budget smartphones. So yeah, good job Samsung. Although that raises a very important question in my mind and I'm putting a poll here. So what would you guys prefer? Would you guys prefer a phone with very good specifications and an okay-ish service center experience like Xiaomi? Or would you guys would like to buy a phone with lesser amount of specifications like the Galaxy M20 and a very good service center experience? What would you guys pick? Honestly, I'm a bit inclined towards the option 1, but I've put a poll here and I would love to know what you guys think about this. So yeah, definitely vote in the poll here. Don't forget to vote in the poll. This is all I have to say about replacing the display as well as the Samsung service center experience with regards to the Galaxy M20. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have any more questions, then please let me know in the comments. And if you don't want to spend 4,500 rupees to replace the display on your Galaxy M20, just get a tempered glass in a case. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box. It's barely going to take like 300 or 350 rupees, and that can save you from an expensive display. And if you guys liked watching this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new here, then definitely hit the red subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more videos like these. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in the notifications very soon. Peace.